Hey, what's up everyone? So today I got my fairing for Fat Bob 114. It's called Spartan mini fairing. It comes with the two bolts. This company. So I think so we need this is the installation instructions. Pretty simple. I think the Allen keys will be enough. Unscrew this and this bolts, remove these parts and put it to here. So let's start it. Yeah, we have these two pieces, two mounts. It's supposed to be here like this or this. I need to check, figure out which one, right side. Okay, for this part we use these two screws, and also this recommend use this one, blue gel. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, I use the blue gel. I think it's supposed to be loose because I need to fit these two holes with the fairing, so that's why it's supposed to be loose. It's pretty easy installation, so it should be lined up with the hole, and once we screw these bolts we should to tight this one. We'll do it after. Yeah, and the last thing, it's number 13, and we just screw it tight. That's it.